Every morning the Mahat and Junior Mahat conduct routine activities. After cleaning the elephant enclosure, the captive elephants are well trained to follow the instructions from their Mahat to give them health regular checkup including mouth inspection and foot pedicure. The daily task of Mahats include feeding, treating minor medical conditions, the captive elephants by doing forest patrol, also cleaning and bathing the elephants. The Mahats bath the elephants, and bring them to graze in the forest. Elephants enjoy their daily bath, and they should be showered twice a day in the river. Therefore, it would be really nice for the elephant to get to the water to cool down. Elephants are highly dependent on water, not only for drinking, but it is also a way to build a natural protection on their skin and general hygiene. For Mahats, bathing the captive elephants is also a sign of trust and affection that they can express. Patrol activities by Mahats and Junior Mahats can be done on foot, or riding the captive elephants to monitor illegal activities in the forest. While searching for further snare traps on foot, the patrol elephants are let loose for foraging in the forest. The patrol elephants of the Bukit Barisan Selatan National Park are employed to do forest patrol, habitat, and wild elephant motoring to prevent illegal activities inside the national park, and mitigate the human-elephant conflicts in the border. In the Bukit Barisan Selatan National Park E.R.U, a management system is implemented where, during the times when elephants are not utilized for any kind of patrol work, they are mostly kept in groups together, and taken for free grazing inside the national park, and roaming together. Elephants eat approximately 10% of their body weight per day. When it comes to planning to eat in captivity, it's really helpful to understand their natural food and know which nutrients they need. The Mahats make sure that captive elephants are healthy with nutrient supplements. Food supplements rich in energy, protein, and enriched with minerals are provided as additional vegetables and fruits to ensure a proper diet for the captive elephants.